Today, Apple Vision Pro, a modern spatial PC that transforms how human beings work, collaborate, connect, relive memories, and experience entertainment, arrived in Apple Store places throughout the United States. Apple Group participants celebrated with clients who had been excited to discover the step-forward product and take part in a new, guided demo experience, simplest to be had in Apple Store places throughout the country. Customers can book an in-save demo, discover and purchase Apple Vision Pro at their nearby Apple Store, in addition to on Apple.com and the Apple Store app. Apple Vision Pro seamlessly blends virtual content material with the bodily, international, and unlocks effective spatial reports in Vision OS, managed with the aid of using the maximum herbal and intuitive inputs possible, a user's eyes, hands, and voice. An all-new App Store presents customers with Get Admission to greater than 1 million well-suited apps throughout iOS and iPadOS, in addition to greater than 600 new reports that take benefit of the specific skills of Vision Pro.